welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lanayacee in the house, okay? And so today, actually tonight, I will be giving you guys a short little night skincare routine with all of my products, so you can see what I use to get clear skin. Okay, so first thing that I do is wash my hands, so if I have to touch my face, there's nothing like any bacteria, germs, or anything going on my face. After I wash my hands, I turn on the warm water, not too hot or not too cold, because warm water on your face loosens the dirt and also preserves your skin's natural hydrating oils. Okay, so now that the water is warm, I'm going to be using my skincare system and putting it in the warm water so it can go on my face. The soap that I use on my face is Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 peppermint soap. After I apply the soap to my face, I put the skincare system back in the warm water and then start putting it on my face to clean it. After I'm done washing my face for a good 2 to 3 minutes, I use water to take it off. After I dry my face, I get a cotton pad and put it in warm water. After that, I get raw apple cider vinegar and also put it on the cotton pad with warm water. Warning, the apple cider vinegar does hurt on your face if you have any open cuts or like bumps that you have popped. It's gonna hurt, but it's just like cleaning it and taking away all the dead skin cells. When I'm done with the apple cider vinegar, I wait for it to dry before putting any oils or moisturizer on my face. One oil that I use on my face is tea tree oil, and it helps my face with dryness, any spots, and pimples. After the tea tree oil, I use a vitamin E skin and body lotion that moisturizes my face. When I'm done moisturizing my face, I use my lip scrub that's naturally made with peaches, and I just scrub my lips with it. It helps your lips stay smooth and not turn white in the cold, especially if you're somebody like me that wears lip gloss a lot. After my lip scrub, I use vitamin E oil to keep my lips moisturized. And now I'm all done with my nighttime skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, turn on those post notifications, and comment down below some more YouTube ideas that I should do.